Welcome to Lemon Lane Cottage. My name is Patty. For those of you who don't know me, I garden in Southern California, Zone 10A. I have been gardening most of my adult life. Right now I'm gardening in a suburban cottage, which is mostly where I've gardened. I have lived in condos and apartments and have scaled down. Right now we have about 1/5 of an acre, and it is divided up into several different sections, several different garden rooms, which all have names, and I will be sharing all of those with you. Today I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the garden. Now that springtime is here and it is full swing gardening season, I will be sharing each of the rooms individually as well as an overview of the whole garden a couple of times a month. So just wanted to say welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see. I do also do a few recipes. I will throw in part of our menagerie of animals. We have chickens and rabbits, a dog, looking into a couple more pets. So I'll be sharing that with you as well. I just wanted to take the opportunity here at the beginning of spring to say hello, to say welcome, to invite you to come back, hit that subscribe button for all things cottage, garden, and urban homestead. With that, I will go ahead and start this tour, and as always, thanks for stopping by.